But that's all stuff you guys did to me. You threw me out and I had to go to the orphanage. No, it's terrible. I smell of lunch meat.
Well, we forgive you for being so mean to us, and we want you to join our ninja gang.
You do? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! All I ever wanted was for you guys to like me. Thank you, thank you.
Oh yeah, one more little thing. If you want to join us, you have to help us borrow something.
Wait, why'd you say borrow like that?
Was 12 times 12? 30.
Jeez,
No.
honest.
It's a bad little beach.
Because your ears are all messed up.
And I got a new phone. I had to get a new
Just a
phone.
little something from
Yeah.
Because
my phone went blank.
It's one of Senora Zapata's rules. She has a lot of rules. Like never ask why she's crying.
Toby, I couldn't agree more with whatever nonsense you were just jabbering there. But sometimes we have to break the rules if we're going to be
Y'all stupid.
Heroes? Wow!
Yep, by harnessing the power of San Lorenzo's most powerful treasure.
I haven't read the t-shirt on. How's the Halloween costume?
We can help thousands of people.
Who said that?
Maybe hundreds. Besides, it should be a snap since you're all buddy, fat cat shoes.
Who's that?
All you got to do is give
Somebody said you at Hazel House. Add me.
You never followed me back. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
How you been?
I've been good.
Are you at her
Hi.
business right now?
You be here, right?
You said what?
You be here too.
I can't hear you.
You say you can't hear me?
I can hear you now.
How you know where I be at?
Because I met you at Hazel's house. And you was
So how you know where I be at?
I mean, I could just tell from the background.
It's different.
Oh, that's not it? How you been?
I'm good.
That's good. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah. I seen you. Somebody turned on for me yesterday.
Huh?
I said somebody turned your show on for me yesterday.
Yes, you watched
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. I'm proud of you.
Yes, it's more to come.
Yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up. You really put off for the city.
So everybody can see like my little side to me.
Yeah. Because it's many different layers to you, you know. They gonna see. They got the right one. How the kids doing?
They good. They right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they're my boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
They
had
bed in a minute.
a message after we left from over there.
Huh?
I said after me and KS had left from over there.
You had did what?
I had when we left.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit you. I'm for sure gonna hit you.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, well, you have a good night.
You too. I'm gonna follow you back.
All right, for sure.
Move.
What's up, man? What's up, huh? What's up, big dog? Take care of your mama like I told you.
That's a grown man. He want my phone.
Oh, okay. All right, for sure. I hit you up. Just yeah, follow me back.
Okay, I will.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
You are a pretty great beat, Toby.
Stop.
I just need my phone back.
That's my phone.
Give my phone back.
That's my phone.
I want to find.
Okay, wait.
Who said that? Was it you? Sleep? Come on.
Cause
What have they
period.
do? Sleep? You cannot defeat.
But I ain't ashamed of where I come from. Period.
I'm sorry, Puss. You're gonna be real proud of me when me and my brother.
All y'all favorite songs is about hood bitches. So, what a hood rats. Hood rats. Wait, why is this so zoomed out?
That's the fanciest man I've ever seen.
Alright, ninjas. Let's get to work. Hey, Toads! A little help here?
Yay! I did something good. Maybe.
Toby, I need to
It's
make
somewhere in the, oh shoot. Put some boots in the background.
You should just put a song over it.
Yeah, I am.
Toby!
What's it do?
The Gauntlet of Kiritake is only the most powerful metal glove type thing there is.
Check it out! I've got a gauntlet on my arm!
Piss me off while you borrowing. I look good, bitch. Chip or two. It is chips.
You gotta use it to blow up buildings and stuff so we can take over the world.
Yeah. Wait, what?
I love who I am.
That doesn't sound like hero stuff. That sounds like the other kind of stuff.
Oh, I'm finna slay at the reunion. Adonis made me a dress. It's gonna be bomb. I already know what color hair I wanna wear to go with the outfit.
You guys, I'm telling Puss.
Like, yeah, it's giving.
No. No, you're not. In the name of the Junior Puss Squad, I order
You know, I don't like that the T pages then post my response because it's not messy. Are we paying attention?
But I have the fist of me.
It's all right though.
Down here, Puss. They're the bad guys. They're gonna do bad guy stuff.
I'ma stay humble and ratchet like I normally am. I'ma just be me. I already said I jumped the game. That's why it was never an issue. You know? But it's like exactly what's going on now. Exactly what's going on now is what started the whole situation with me and Tissy. If y'all remember, it was online talking. So I'm thinking it was some shit, but it wasn't. So I was like, oh. But the same messy bitches stirring the pot. Like,
Where are you going?
Mariah's such a fake ass bitch. I'm glad I've seen through that and distanced myself.
That is incredibly off-putting.
I'm too real for that shit.
This is only gonna hurt a lot.
I'll be laughing at the dumb shit. Pussy boy, while you roaring. Aw, it's okay. I finally watched the episode, like I said. Y'all be over exaggerating shit. It wasn't even that deep. And I'm like, look at me. In my own world. I got aggravated. I said, I don't want to be around nobody. I know be like, above. I'm like, look. Walking this way, walking that way, walking this way. Being a lot by my motherfucking self. Getting away from all the craziness. Because...
I'm sorry, Puss.
Pussy boy, why you roaring? It don't matter. It don't matter.
I'm sorry I gave you that sleeping potion.
Stuff. See? Can't remember see.
Okay. I gotta go. I'll send on my phone.
I'll get it back.
Yes. Say bye, everybody.
Wait, I want to say bye.
Okay.
No, so fast. Bye. Thanks, I have. Bye, everybody. Get my phone back. Get my phone.
Okay, Tremaine, go.
Music. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them to bed for school. I already know. I just finished. Yes, I gotta go. We finna go to bed anyway.
I want the cool to something.
Maybe it would help if you put up a sign. Or better yet,
Can I
an
see
image
my-
of myself. A figure resembling me that can stand guard at the edge of town and frighten away thieves.
Pussy